This is a compact combo of a transmitter and 2 pairs of wireless headphones for people to watch TV without disturbing other family members or neighbors. Enjoy immersive TV sound in TV mode and pair the headphones with other Bluetooth devices in BT mode. You'll find these contents in this video. First, let's have a look at the transmitter base. On the top are charging pins. At the bottom, we have put a charging compartment for the spare battery. On the side are the dialogue clarity adjustments and power switch for the transmitter. On the back of the transmitter you will find the optical and AUX port for your TV, and the optical and AUX port for your soundbar or wired speaker, and the DC and USB power port. In the headband, you'll find the charging contacts for use with the charging stand. On the left earphone, there is battery compartment, USB-C charging port. There is a MFB button which you can power on the earphone and temporarily mute the TV volume and listen to others who talk to you. AUX sharing jack, BT and TV switch button, volume control. Each headphone have its own volume. Balance control to balance left and right ears audio. Here is what you'll find in the box. To use these headphones with your TV, first, connect the transmitter to a wall outlet via the provided power adapter. Then, slide the switch to mono or stereo to power on the transmitter. Last, you can adjust the tone mode to fit your hearing preference. Basically, there are 3 ways to connect the base to your TV: optical, auxiliary, and RCA. If you have optical, connect the base to the digital audio output on your TV. Next, set the sound format to PCM and the sound out format to external speaker or internal speaker plus external speaker. If you are using AUX, connect the base to your TV's headphone jack using the AUX cable we provide. Make sure that your TV's output is set to headset. If you have an older TV, you may need to connect the base to your TV's red and white ports labeled audio out using the RCA cable. And make sure your TV is set to external speaker in the sound setting. The bypass function supports audio output to our headphones and your soundbar. Remember to adopt compatible cables. Now, press and hold the MFB button for 3 seconds to turn on the headphones, then slide to the TV position, then select the volume level you like. For people who cannot hear equally from left and right ears, try to customize the sound via a balance switch. Press the mic button to temporarily hear what people are talking to you when you are watching TV. Now you should be good to go. Power on the headphone and slide it to BT mode to enter pairing automatically. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, find and select SIMOLIO SM-829D to pair. Once connected, you will hear Bluetooth connected. In Bluetooth mode, you can adjust the tone mode by double-click the MFB button. There are 3 ways to charge the headphone. First, simply place the headphone onto the base. Also, you may plug the headphone into a USB power source. Finally, a spare battery is offered for free. The battery is charged in the base, always ready for replacement, so running out of battery is no longer your concern. Please refer to the manual or contact us via the product page if there is any problem.